The first one, kanang kuan siya, True Blue Cebuano. Kay I will call in people from from the entire, representing the entire Philippines. So representing Cebu City, Mr. Roy Maraguinos.
Yo, good morning, everyone. Morning. You know what? I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so happy. Why? Roy presented very well.
Yes.
And it's so nice. Even a first-timer can understand the way he presented it, right?
Yes.
So, ako my task right now is to share to you my testimony, Max. So, I'm a person, di ba? Ang gingon ni Roy is we should take good care of our body.
Yes.
So, my lifestyle is not take good care of my body before I take Max. First thing, I love to eat. For in reality, I love the lifestyle of, mainom. I drink not too much, but in eating, pulutan, more in pulutan. Gamay naman pulutan, naghan. Hindi kayong inom. So, I just don't know, maybe I get a lot of toxins in my body. So, the question is, what should I take that supplements that can help, even though I'll eat a lot, but can lose a little bit or fats, So I'm just wondering. I'm so happy and I'm glad that Max DXL came into our family. First thing, Dr. Lambo, which is the one who introduced Max to us. I'm so happy. Why? When I start taking the product, I'm just wondering na, even though I eat a lot, imagine, even though I eat a lot, nag-lose ko weight. But my structure is still the same. Pero I feel healthy. Even I move side by side, I feel healthy. I played basketball a while ago, and I played 3 games.
Yes.
Can you imagine like that one? So, this is the reality. Inauna niya ko and then, natingalan ko ba na naman ko na buragay ka ng di ko ka-expect ba how Max helped me. So, what I did, I also shared to my family. So, not only me, when I take Max, okay na ko, and then, every time I woke up, daghan kong pain, back pains, leg pains, or every time I play basketball. So, karon wala na. I introduced to my lola, this kanang kuan kay sa akong lola, burag, kanang tanan akong family na nalipay gid ani kay akong lola ka-suffer of diabetes, So, mag-insulin na siya, pero before, na siya, abot ang level sa insulin, kanang sa iyang sugar, 500, 600, 700. Karon, you know what? Karon, normal na yun. Huwag kong ingon I'm not telling Max can cure. Ang ako alam, I'm just wondering why my lola has a stable sugar level. It's 92, 87, sometimes we reach 100. And now, she didn't take any medicine, but only Max. And I'm so happy. And for that, and that's all I will share to you. Kung karon mga first-timers, guys, ni-share ko ni kay, you know what, nag-games too, sometimes ka na makuha na ma-overwhelm ko kay dako ang tabang na ko sa akong family. It changed really a lot, especially physically. Kami, dagkong sa mong family, kung moingon mo, daghang toxin ang lawas na mo. So, kamo karon mga first-timer, please, share it to others, especially daghang kay diabetic people karon. Daghang kay mag-ingon na di mag-take og medicine. You don't know what? Kanang mag-take og medicine, sige lang mag-take. It can destroy also your liver or I don't know. Muna kung na-research. Pero try Max, please. Share it to others kay makatabang yun. Okay? And that's all. And go Max.